breaking news coming in from Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has sharpened his attack on former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy by comparing him to Kim Jong-un of North Korea. We'll have to listen to Chandrababu Naidu to understand in which context he has made the comparison. Remember, the NDA led by the TDP came to power in Andhra Pradesh in the assembly elections that were held along with the general elections in the month of June, and since then Chandrababu Naidu has been sharpening his attacks on former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. I'm told Aneri is going to be live with us. Aneri, in fact, is live with us from Hyderabad, and let's go to her to understand the context. Aneri, Chandrababu Naidu, not the first time, but sharpening his attack on Jagan Mohan Reddy. What was the context in which he made this comment and the comparison?
Well, Abhishek, what we are seeing is that today is exactly 1 month of Chandrababu Naidu's government in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And remember, today Chandrababu Naidu was on a tour in Uttarandhra, where he had visited a few projects, and later, while addressing a gathering there in Uttarandhra, we had seen Chandrababu Naidu launching a scaling attack on the former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, where he has compared Jagan Mohan Reddy to Kim Jong, where he says that there is one Kim in North Korea, and if you cry or if you laugh, he will attack you. And similar way, we have one here as well who has, and because of him, everyone has suffered a lot. Referring to Jagan Mohan Reddy, Chandrababu Naidu has launched a scaling attack where he has also mentioned that Jagan Mohan Reddy in the last 5 years of his term has not done anything, whereas people have suffered badly due to Jagan Mohan Reddy. But however, now the good days have begun for the people and they do not need to worry, is what Chandrababu Naidu says. But yes, face-off between the YSRCP and the TDP has been escalating day by day, and now Chandrababu Naidu compares Jagan Mohan Reddy to a gym, where he says that there is one in North Korea who attacks on the people if they laugh or cry, and similar way there was one here as well. But now you don't have to worry, is what Chandrababu Naidu says.
All right, thank you so much, Aneri. 1 month of the Chandrababu Naidu government in Andhra Pradesh, and he using the opportunity to get back at former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. Moving on, let's look at some other stories from across the country in a wrap of Bharat in 5 minutes. Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini addressed long-standing concerns over Lal Dora land in villages used for non-agriculture purposes, emphasizing that people lacked ownership rights, registry and financial transactions on such lands. He further stated that previous legal uncertainties created fear among residents. Saini asserted his government's a successful resolution of these issues, providing relief to affected individuals by enabling them to gain legal recognition and rights over those Lal Dora lands.
लाल डोरा की समस्या को लेकर के या लंबे समय से शहरी क्षेत्र में जो लोग दुकान के ऊपर बैठे थे वो उनका मालिकाना हक नहीं था, और कहीं तो लिटिगेशन के अंदर थे, कोर्ट के अंदर केस चल रहे थे। मैं पूरे आप सबको इस अवसर के ऊपर बधाई भी देता हूं, और हरियाणा प्रदेश के कोने कोने से जुड़े हुए हमारे सभी जो लाभार्थी बेनिफिशरीज हैं उनको भी मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।